Welcome back to Success Academy Jamkhandi and you're watching Suman's math classes. In today's class we are going to discuss on quadratic equation, which is the very interesting and important topic in GPSTR, CTET, HSTR, in any of the competitive exam you see the syllabus. Okay, so let's see what is quadratic equation. Any equation with the degree 2 means whose exponent or whose power is 2 is called quadratic equation. Okay, so the equation which whose standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is called quadratic equation with the condition this a should not be equals to 0. Okay, where what are a, b and c are constants. A, b and c are constants. Very important point to be remember. A, B, C and constants. So why this condition is given? A should not be equal to 0. Why not to B? Why not to C? Because quad means 2 or double. If I make A as 0, suppose A is 0, then it will become 0x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. And 0 into anything is 0 itself. Then this complete term will vanish. We will have only equation bx plus c equals to 0. And this is a very simple, we can say it is a linear equation, not a quadratic. बिकॉज इसमें से पावर 2 खत्म हो गया. देर इज नो पावर, देर इज नो स्क्वायर. जब तक उसमें स्क्वायर है तभी वो क्वाड्रेटिक है. जैसे उसमें से स्क्वायर निकल गया दैट विल बिकम ओनली लीनियर. Okay, so with this is very important condition because always question will not ask directly. Okay, questions will be on the concept base. A very important point to be remember, a should not be equal to 0. Suppose if we make b 0, what happens? For example, if I write equation x square minus 4 equals to 0, you can see power is 2, so it is obviously quadratic, but there is no single x. X square is there, then directly constant is there, there is no single x. Yes, then also it is a quadratic equation because of its higher degree 2. So it will become x square equal to minus 4 shifted to plus 4, and x is equal to square root of 4 plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. Hence, so either b0 or c0 doesn't matter, but a should not be equals to 0. Okay, point to be remember. Next, there are few methods of solving quadratic equation. So first is very important as well as easy, that is factor method. First method is factor method. There are actually three methods. One is factor method, second is formula method, and third is graphical method. But today we are discussing only on the factor method. Yes, how to factorize any of the quadratic equation. Let me take first the general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then first step, what to do in factor method, multiply a with c. Find the product of AC. Then bifurcate this number, this constant number, because A is a constant, C is also constant. If you multiply both constants, you will get another constant. So you are going to get one constant result here. अब ये constant result को आपको ऐसे split करना है. If you add this both, you should get the result B. Some number is x, another number is y. If you add this both x and y, you should get the result as B. And same way, if you multiply this both x and y, you should get back the result AC. Such satisfying factors are nothing but factor of the quadratic equation. Okay, and this can be shown through example. For example, I have an example like a question x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. It's a quadratic equation. First of all, confirm it because x square is there, so it will be a quadratic equation. Now, what's the first step? Multiply a with c. What is a here? If there is nothing, means 1 is there. 1 with c, multiply 1 into 6. 6. You will see the two factors. Okay. Now, so factorize 6. What is the condition? If you add this two number, you should get answer B. What is B? B is 5 here. So I can select the two term as 2 plus 3. We will get 5. Right? 2 plus 3 is 5. The same 2 number, if I multiply 2 into 3, I will get C, no? 6. AC. That is 6. So this is the sum B and the product is AC. This is our AC because A is 1, C is 6. 1 6 are 6. So the two factors are 2 and 3. How we can split it? First term x square as it is. This middle term 5x can be splitted as 2x plus 3x. So we can write like 2x plus 3x plus last term 6 equal to 0. Then from the first root term we can take x common. What will remain in x plus 1? From the second two term we can take 3 common. What will remain in x plus 3 2s are 6 equals to 0. Now further we can take x plus, here x is common, so what will remain in 2 will remain, sorry. When x is common, here 1x and from here 2. So x plus 2 common. What will remain in the bracket? That is x plus 3 equals to 0. Another concept enters here. If the product of any two terms is 0, then either of the term is 0. So we'll take either x plus 2 equals to 0 or x plus 3 is equals to 0. Hence x is equals to minus 2 and another is x is equals to minus 3. These are the two zeros or the two roots of the quadratic equation. Always remember, quadratic means 2. It has a 2 degrees, so it will have a 2 definite solutions. Okay. Always quadratic equations will have two solutions. These two solutions are also called roots of the equation or also called zeros of the equation. Very important point. Because in the last GPSTR paper, if you observe, you will see this point is used zeros of the equation. Okay, either they call solution or they call roots or they call zeros. Meaning is same. Okay, so at the end I want to I want to bring one very important thing in front of you is this GPSTR. If we talk about GPSTR is having both the pattern, MCQ, objective as well as descriptive. If the quadratic equation comes in a descriptive form, you can go with this complete lengthy procedure. But the same question if comes for MCQs, then you will not have a time to go for such lengthy process. For this, you have to go with a shortcut trick. So to come across or to know what is the shortcut method to find the quadratic roots, you watch my next video, that is your class 4. This is your class 3 and next will be your class 4. Okay, continuation of class 3. I can call this as part 1. Then I will take part 2 in which we will discuss on the shortcut trick of quadratic equation. Hope you all understood. For the paid GPSTR class, you can contact on the number which is given in the description box. Thank you.